Good morning, guys. Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Guys, it's by the time you guys see this, it will be the new year, so happy new year. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, so happy new year to you guys. Right now I'm just up. It is actually the 31st of December, so it's not yet the new year, but by the time I'm gonna see this, it's gonna be new year. So yes, so for today I have a lot of stuff to do today. We're starting off the year, or ending the year right, so that we can start the year right. So I got up out of bed. I woke up earlier, but I got up out of bed 8 o'clock on the dot, literally on the dot. So yeah, right now I just got my journal. This is my journal, by the way. Isn't it like so yellow and so cutesy? So yeah, got out my journal. I have my pens, my highlighters. What I want to do is I want to have a little reflective kind of sesh, and I want to reflect on some of the things I did, and then some of the goals I want to achieve for 2026. And not just to write down the goals, but to write down like a time frame and how I'm going to achieve them and all of that. But I'm gonna share them with you, but you know, because that's kind of personal. But yeah. Journaling and just writing down everything. That was good. I like that. So right now I'm going to make my bed, and then I have to go back to work next week, so I gotta look some clothes and iron today. Yeah, I want to iron today. My hair, I'm probably gonna do Friday or Saturday. I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna do with my hair. Ignore that. We're going on new year with hair looking crappy. Okay, it now gonna follow me for the year. Now follow me for the year. Anyways, so I'm about to get up, and I don't know, I feel hungry, so I might find food after I make my bed first, and then come back and do the clothes thing. And I need you each moment. Hey guys, so finish eating. I forgot to show you guys the food. I ended up eating waffles and bacon with some bush tea. I drink some sorrel tea. So yes, right now I'm on the floor trying to find some clothes for work. I'm in my work bag and all. So my sister gave me, you can't even see it because my only part is red funny. So for the first week I'm gonna try look green and white, then second week orange and white, then third week pink, and then the fourth week red. So I need to find all of those, so come here try and match with my sister. So I'm gonna try and find the colors. 4 weeks, and these are the sets. I have red, I have pink, this is green. It's just that this is the first Sunday clothes because the green is for the first week. And then orangish, this is kind of orange and pink, but yeah, orange. But yeah, that's the clothes. I'm going to iron and then hang up. And I stand up, but I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. When's the spring and fall? It's on you I call. You get me through it all. Couldn't get my mind right, oh, drowning in my tears.
What book is this? Oh, put you on to King of Sloth. Matter of fact, just read the entire Kings of Sin series. 10 out of 10 we recommend. The day is never finished. Master got me working. Chop chop, slave boy. Don't burn me.
Hey guys, it is currently 10:08. Church started at 10. I did go over. I go over from about 9:30 something. I'm gonna set up the live. Them start, so me just start up here something and then just come back over for my things. So yeah, heading back over. I feel like a girly girl heading into 2026. Like catch the fit, guys. I feel like a literal girly girl. Like yeah, girl. Girly girl, as in handbag and all. Like, come on. Anyways, so that's the fit for today or tonight into 2026.
This child was alive or she was dead. We don't know if he had other children. John just tells us there was a certain noble man. And we want to reflect on this certain noble man tonight. I want to invite us to reflect on him through the lens of crisis. He had a crisis. That he had confidence, and that this confidence that he had, this faith that he had, this belief that he had was contagious. 2026, we give you glory, we give you praise. We give you honor, oh God. By your grace we have made it. All glory, all honor be unto you, God.
Alright guys, it's the new year. Yeah, so church just finished, so I'm going home. Alright guys, I am back home. But it hear like them have claps something around here, so I didn't want to see it, but I'm not seeing it. Anyways, I want to see fireworks like so bad, but I don't see it. It happened on Christmas, but I didn't get to see it. Sad. And it's not like them done, but yeah. I was saying that even though it's after 12, we're hungry, so we're gonna eat something. We have been in church for like what, 3 hours from 10 o'clock, so we're hungry. So we're having some. We're gonna have butter kiss, and it's the coconut one with a slice of cheese, and since it's the new year, we're gonna bust some champagne. Hi, cheers. Good morning guys, it is New Year's. It's currently like 9 something. Remember, so I got in bed late last night, and like school opens next week, so I ain't getting out of bed earlier. So yeah, I'm up finally, made my bed. Now I'm gonna get some breakfast, and I don't even know what I'm doing for the rest of the day. My ear won't pull out, guys, but I don't know if I'm in the mood to actually do my hair today. I might, because it look rough. I don't like it.
So, no more broken hearts, no more broken, no more broken, no more broken hearts. Yeah. Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Yeah. Shorty giving us.
Guys, finally done. So, me I go. Me think I can rock this feet entirely because I'm not in a mood for wash it, and then if I wash it I have to comb it, and I kind of think I want to give my hair kind of break until probably about tomorrow. So hey guys, so I just showered and I am ready. I like how bright this light be. Yeah, just showered and all. As I say, I kind of give my hair a break, so I catch it up and then yeah. Because I might have to just comb it back. So if I'm not going to wait tomorrow either, I might just leave it as is again. Or just leave it and then just do it probably about Saturday. Because it has been in cane row from probably about October, November, thereabouts. So yeah, anyways, I have on this cutesy little, I don't know what you call this, pop-off. Pop-off. Or yeah, pop-off girls tracksuits. It's so comfy. Yeah, I want the breeze to be blowing though because I'm hot. I would just decide to wear it today because we already planned it. So anyways, I'll sit down and kind of read or let the book read to me. Cheers. Why? Hot. What? Bye. Lad. I'm gonna talk about bun up.